Grabe si Jessica, parang ano sila, parang magjowa sila ni Rex. Yo, what's good everybody? It's your boy David again and I'm back with another video for today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video and comment down below. So today we have here September 17, 2023, the performance of Majesty, Queendom and Kingdom. And ito po ay sa All Out Sunday if I'm not mistaken. So marami pong nag-send sa akin ng link sa Instagram and sa Facebook, lalo na si Dana May. Dana May, siya yung pinakaunang nag-send sa akin ng link na to. Please follow nyo ako sa Facebook, David Lanyas, and on Instagram, RealDavid_29. So let's begin. Ano kayang theme nila ngayon? Ganda ng studio talaga nila. Sino kayang pair ni Baby Hana? Oh, okay, Jeremiah. Sila talaga lagi, oh. Okay, sila ni Marian. Veterano. Far away from you, even the sky will tell you that I need you so. But this is all I know. Ang sexy na ni Maria, no? Sexy pa yung boses. Galing. Ang linis, I love it. Mala Regine, eh. Galing. Husay. Napakalinis. Napakaganda. I love that duet. Nice. Okay. To be honest, dati, I'm not really amazed kay Mark Bautista. Growing up, kasi hindi ko type yung genre niya, no? But now that I'm more mature, no, sa music and siguro sa edad na din, no, I'm starting to really appreciate yung consistency ni Mark Bautista sa kanyang tone quality, sa kanyang style, kasi hindi talaga siya nag-compromise sa kanyang style kahit na ilang trend na ng music ang dumaan, at up until now alam naman natin kung ano yung modern music, no, at yung trend ngayon sa mainstream, pero talagang he's very consistent sa kanyang tone quality and uniqueness. Okay? Mark Bautista, siya lang talaga si Mark Bautista, wala nang iba. Anthony and Thea. To stay, never go away from me. Grabe talaga yung vibrato ni Thea. Eto. You. Galing. Ooh, beautiful. Bagay yung boses nila actually. Belter din tong si Anthony, no? Kinabahan ako dun kay Anthony pero he was able to pull it off. Oh, your love. Woo. Ang ganda ni Baby Hana. Para siyang naging bata dahil sa kanyang hairstyle, and I think that they really look good, no? Lahat ng babae dito, they look good with pink, no? I love it. Gaganda nila. Woo. Sing, baby. Yes, nice. Woo. I love that part. Woo. Nice one, Jeremiah. Woo. Woo. Okay. Okay, ang napansin ko dito yung arrangement nila ng Your Love, it's very different from the original. So may iba talagang approach or atake nila dito, man. And I think that we're seeing a preview sa magiging guesting or guest performance ng Kingdom sa concert ng Queendom. Malamang sa malamang andun talaga yung Kingdom. Okay? It's their first major concert ng Queendom, and I believe meron talagang segment dun sa Majesty. Ooh, I love that. Ooh. Haha, nice one. Woo. Woo. Linis nun. Nice one. Nice, I love it. Galing ni Rex, man. I'm very impressed. Nice. Derek Monasterio, okay.
Thinking of how to reach you, dreaming of having you.
I believe in dreams.
Mami Rita.
I believe in miracles. I believe that toy balloons can reach and touch the moon.
Woo! I'm always amazed with Rita. Ang galing talaga nito.
I don't have the courage and the will to say the words, but I can feel
Of what's inside me is for real.
inside
Okay, to be honest, ako lang ba? Or medyo off si Derek dito?
me.
And I know someday
Someday
have the chance to prove and say three simple words to come your way.
come my
Oh, I have the
way.
chance someday.
The chance.
Feeling ko medyo pitchy talaga si Derek dito, man. Okay yung pasok niya, pero pagdating nung pag-harmonize, nung nagkumanta na silang dalawa, no? I think there's a pitch issue doon. Okay?
It's for me to say that I love you.
Eto, okay na siya dito. Galing tayo ni Rita. Okay, minsan, pwede nating i-apply. It's not how you start, it's how you end. Okay, so I think they did end it well, lalo na sa part ni Derek. But again, I think medyo nga may issue sa pitch. Okay, medyo pitchy ng konti.
I remember the day
Limitless Star.
you here with me. Those laughter and tears we shared for years.
Nice.
Memories that we had for so long, it's me.
Bagay na bagay kay Christian tong kanta.
Now you
Dahil sa kanyang boses.
you left me all alone. Go on, do what you want, but please don't leave me. You break my heart. Hey, what should I do?
Babe, I'm missing you.
I'm missing you.
Please don't disappear.
These are the words that you should hear. Time and time again, I wish that you were here. I don't wanna lose you, babe. I need you back to me. I don't wanna lose you, baby. Can't you see?
Kinabahan ako kay Christian.
You've been a part of me.
Hindi to madaling i-harmonize, man. Okay, ito. Sasabihin ko na lang to kasi nga, 'di ba? I'm always honest with my reaction, my reviews, no. So, I think na may nakikita na akong signs, no, kay Christian Bautista na he's getting older. He's really getting older. Yung agility niya, yung stamina niya, pagdating sa voice control, I think na medyo may makikita na tayong konting deterioration, no. I'm just being honest talaga. No, I'm not sugarcoating anything naman kasi dito sa aking reaction video. Although I love them, I love Majesty, Kingdom. I admire individually sa kanila, but I think just like Miss Lani Misalucha, 'di ba? So makikita na talaga kahit si Miss Regine nga, Velasquez, makikita na talaga na they're aging already. Grabe si Jessica, parang sila, parang magjowa sila ni Rex. It was a very lovely performance, no. Each pair na showcase nila yung mga vocal qualities nila and skills. And if I have to rank, pipiliin kong duet for this segment talaga na nag-top 1. No, I would go for Marian and Mark Bautista, and then next would be Hannah and Jeremiah. And then for the third pair, si Jessica and Rex. Individually, I am very impressed sa lalaki. Impressed ako kay Mark Bautista actually and Rex. And sa babae naman, consistent din si Marian, Hannah, and also always naman si Rita, Julian. Nag-rank ako pero lahat naman sila. Well, if I have to say, siguro nag-stand out ng konting-konti. Just because siguro bias ko yung duet nila today, I would go with Marian in this segment. Gusto ko silang lahat, I love them. Pero yun nga, if I have to choose one na nag-stand out ng konti, I would go with Marian. And sa lalaki, dalawa si Mark and tsaka si Rex. So yun. So again, I am always honest with my review, okay? Favorite ko man sila o hindi, favorite artist ko man o hindi. And lastly, ang napansin ko sa kanila, I think that they're physically also getting ready kasi napansin ko Hannah and Marian really lose some weight, and also Miss Rita. I think that they're really preparing, no, hindi lang vocally, mentally, or like financially maybe, or emotionally, but I think also physically they're preparing for their big concert. So very evident, no, very obvious na makikita natin yung physical features nila na it's they're getting sexier and sexier every time na may segment sila kasi malapit na din, 'di ba? That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.